I want to give you a couple of pretty common classic examples of problems involving the interior and exterior angles of polygons. So here we have one where we're asked a regular polygon has an interior measure of 144 degrees. How many sides does it have? So this one, clearly we are kind of being asked to work backwards here algebraically. Instead of being given the number of sides and asked to find the degrees, we are given the degrees and asked to find the variable. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this formula, which is the number of degrees in one interior angle of a regular polygon. I'm going to go ahead and set it equal to 144 since we have the degrees. Now, the way we're going to solve this, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to collapse this fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by n, and then that will cancel out the n in the numerator now and the n in the denominator. And then I'm also going to distribute this 180 degrees. So 180n minus 360 equals 144n. And now we need to just group our terms together. So kind of in one fell swoop, I'm going to add 360 to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 144n from both sides. Those are going to cancel, and those are going to cancel. And that's going to give us 36n equals 360. Well, we can see where this is going now. Dividing both sides by 36, and we can see that this is a 10-sided figure, a decagon. So it has 10 sides. There we go. And this will work for any variable, any number of degrees. You can use this for any regular polygon. The other pretty common example I want to show you has more to do with the sum of the degrees in a polygon. So here, 5 angles of a hexagon, and of course a hexagon has 6 sides, and 5 of them have measures of 110, 142, 98, 109, and 131, and we're asked to find the measure of the 6th angle. So the strategy here is we can't use the 180 n minus 2 over n formula because that's only for regular polygons, and clearly this is not a regular polygon. But we can use the sum formula. So I'm just going to label this as all 6. We can find the sum of all 6 angles in a hexagon by doing 180 times 6 minus 2. 180 minus 4, or times 4, excuse me, is going to give me 720 degrees. And now I'm going to add up all 5 of these to see how many degrees we have used up so far. And by doing a little calculation in advance, I discovered that these add to 590. So in 5 angles, I have used up 590 degrees. I need to use up 720 total. So I'm going to do the subtraction to find that 6th angle, and it winds up being 130 degrees. So that's a strategy you can use when you're given all but one angle of a polygon. You can add up the ones you're given and subtract from the total to get the 6th. It's a pretty common problem to see on tests and occasionally things like the SAT. Thank you for watching. I have linked my exterior angle video and my interior angle video to this one in the comments, so you can check those out if you'd like a little bit more background on those types of problems. Thank you for watching. Take care. You're doing great work. Keep it up.